Ever wondered about the tangled web of cables behind your devices? From connecting to powering, each one plays a crucial role. Meet the RJ45 Ethernet cable, the backbone of wired networks. Whether it's Cat5e or Cat6, it's essential for fast, reliable internet connections. For ultimate speed and distance, fiber optic cables transmit data using light. They're the choice for ISPs and data centers, offering unparalleled performance. Connecting your screen? VGA, DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort each offer unique visual experiences. HDMI and DisplayPort deliver high-definition video and audio. For sound, we have RCA cables for traditional setups, and the versatile 3.5mm jack for headphones and speakers. The USB family, from classic USB-A to the reversible USB-C, powers and connects countless devices. USB-C is rapidly becoming the universal standard for charging and data. And of course, the AC power cable, vital for bringing life to your computers and monitors. Don't forget legacy cables like the RS-232 serial port, still found in specialized industrial and networking equipment. Each cable with its unique design and function is a testament to technological evolution. Understanding them truly empowers your tech journey. Thank you for watching. See you soon!